If you're a barber or a self-groomer, then I'm sure you had a similar reaction to the clips that you just saw. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 alcohol-free alternatives to use as an aftershave without the intense burn. Anytime that you're using sharpened stainless steel to shave hair on your face or your head, there's a high chance that you will get at least some type of irritation or abrasion, even if it's minor. Alcohol is an effective, inexpensive cleanser, but it does come with an uncomfortable burning sensation, especially when used on broken skin. You can find all of the products mentioned in this video by clicking below in the link in the description. If you do decide to purchase something, it does help the channel grow, so thank you in advance for your support. Also, I have actually used all of the products that I'm going to mention in this video, so I'm not just giving you some random list. Number 1, Easyblade Aftershave Relief Tonic.
Very refreshing.
The main ingredients in this aftershave are jojoba, tea tree, and witch hazel. This has a very refreshing, clean scent, and it comes in an 8-ounce bottle. The nozzle also does a good job at spreading the mist over a wide surface, so a little goes a long way. Moving on to number 2. Now this is my personal favorite, so I do have a little bias towards this just because I use this the most. This is called Harry's Post Shave Mist. The main ingredients in this are aloe, tea tree, almond oil, lavender, and menthol. When you first spray this, one of the first things that you'll notice is that peppermint that's in here. You immediately feel that cooling sensation to your face, and that's what really makes it my favorite. It's just, it doesn't burn, but it wakes your skin up. Moving on to number 3. Now this is also tied with first place to me, and this is Mario Badescu. As you can see, this bottle is just about gone. The main ingredients in this are aloe and rose water. Also, it depends on which type that you get. So what I recommend, if you don't want to blind buy this, you can buy the 3-pack. This is what I'm referring to with the 3-pack. So these come in 4-ounce bottles. Now the bottle that I have, this is an 8-ounce bottle just because I really like this kind. Now I must admit, originally I thought this was strictly meant for women, but my girlfriend let me know that no, men can use this too. Guys, I'm telling you, do yourself a favor. This is one of the best toners that you can buy, and it works great as an aftershave. Ever since she bought me that first bottle, I have always bought this. Like, I always have a bottle of this. Now, these last 2 on the list, if you're not a fan of the spray, these last 2 are towelettes. And the first is Burts Bees. These contain aloe as well. As you see with a lot of these products, aloe is one of the main ingredients because aloe does a great job of soothing the skin, which reduces irritation, as well as it puts moisture back into the skin. Let's say if you have someone that comes in with very oily skin around their hairline or just on their face before you do a shave, these do a great job of removing any type of dirt or oil on the face. And finally, number 5, these are called Dude Wipes. Yes, Dude Wipes, D-U-D-E. The only real difference between these 2 is just, I think the marketing, in my opinion, these 2 work very similar. These have aloe in it and these don't. I just know that these are marketed more so specifically toward males, so you can't go wrong with either one. If you're a guy, I would definitely recommend picking these up just because you can use them for your face and your body. So once again, guys, you can find all of the products that I mentioned on the Barber Style Directory Amazon store. All you have to do is click the link below in the description. If you guys would like more product recommendation videos like this, be sure to comment below and let me know what you guys want to see. If you got value from this video, be sure to subscribe as well as hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day.